Section 1, number 7 here, you're going to try to find the value of xy. So it seems like xy, it is made up of two parts, which is xm and my. So we can write that. xm plus my is going to be equal to xy. However, if we plug in the values, 3x plus 1 for xm, then we add the other part of my, which is 8x minus 24. This is going to be equal to xy. This is useless because we don't know the value of x, but we can still combine some like terms. 8x plus 3x is 11x, and 1 minus 24 is minus 23. This is equal to xy. Okay, we need to know what x is, so we have to figure out another way to solve for x first. We notice that there's these two red bars telling us that the line segment of xm is congruent to line segment my. So we can plug this in. 3x plus 1 is going to be equal to 8x minus 24. Now we can solve for the x. So if we subtract 3x to both sides, this cancel, leaving us with just a 1 equals to 5x minus 24. We then add 24 to both sides to get the variable alone. It is 25 equals to 5x. Now we divide 5 to both sides to get x alone. This cancels, making a 1. X is equal to 5. Now, since we know the x value, we can now plug it back in to our equation. 11 times your 5, which is represented by x, minus 23 is equal to line segment xy. 11 times 5, it is 55, minus 23. Let's simplify that. 55 minus 23 gets you 32, equals to line segment xy. So there you go. You have to make sure you set up two equations first. The first one allows you to solve for x, then the other equation allows you to use that x to find the complete line segment of xy.